It's time for a quick braid style. This is clearly the before. Combing out my hair dry, gonna section it off. Instead of doing lots of little braids, I want something fast and simple and colorful this time. So I'm gonna do about 15 big chunky braids. First, I'm gonna comb my hair out, then section the pieces off with these rubber bands, then go in with the extensions. They're gonna be a few different colors because I'm using extensions from, a few different hair styles, but I think it'll be fun. It'll be bright and perfect for spring, so let's get started. Let's see. Gonna Okay. I'm gonna braid the front pieces off while I section off the back pieces. I think the back is probably going to be bigger. The braids are going to be bigger. Just so that I can use less extension hair. And let's see. I can't tell if it's perfect, but it's behind the ear. Yeah, looks pretty even to me. Okay, so I've pre-sectioned some pieces off. I've done 3 in the back here. Now I have to do these 3. I did 1 up here, but I think I'm going to turn that into 2 each. So the back will be 10. I think we'll have about 6 to 8 up front. And that's it. Let's get it done. Let's see. You can see some of the sections here. There's one more over here. So 3 total. Almost done with one front side. Here's one section. Looks like part's a little messed up there, so I'm gonna just get that as clean as I can. Okay, so there's 6 in this front side, and now I need to do 6 over here, and then put the extensions on. All right, they're not perfect, but this is the last bit of the front section. I put the back in a ponytail, just making sure that all the little hairs are separate. So those are the front sections, these are the back sections, and now it's time to add the extensions. Okay, the braiding is underway. Second braid in the back row, and since this color is different, I wanted to make sure that it's up front. I'll probably keep most of these purple ombre towards the back and allow a few of the more colorful pieces to pop up front. More to come. 3 down and about 22 more to go. Okay, there's 3 braids left. As you can see, I left some empty spots just to get a mix of colors. Like, this color is different to all of the other ones, and there's only one of these. So gonna figure out, I'll probably put this regular purple in there to differentiate between those two, and then just making sure I have enough extension hair left for all 3 braids. I don't want to open any more packs, but almost done. And last but not least, this is not enough hair for that, but we're going to make it work for this quick, thick braid look. I'm liking the colors. It's giving cotton candy ombre, pops of blue and pink. And yeah, after I get this last braid in, we'll be good to go. Let's see. So okay. It's coming together. The last braid. I'm gonna try to tuck my natural hair or blend it. Oop, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it goes. Let's see. Dang, the blending. That didn't work. Okay. Let's see. Fuck. Oh gosh. I'm gonna have to redo the whole braid. Looks like yes. Just didn't. It's all tied together. Okay. Let's try to separate these out. Separate them into 3. Alright, so that's locked on. Now I'm gonna try to blend them a little bit and separate them a little bit, but they get like tied up here, which is a nightmare. So that's fine. I don't love how big it is, but for these big, these thick, quick, colorful braids, this is fine. For the thick, quick. And I'm nearly done. I think I did about 24 braids and it took me, I think, about 2 hours. So there's that. I'm not gonna do it now, but I think I will add some like jewels or beads or something cute for a little fun vibes. And we're almost done here. Oh my gosh. Whew, Lord. So you can see. I've been braiding my own hair since I was a kid, but now that I travel so much, it's like one of my greatest blessings for sure. Oh, all right. Getting it down to the bottom. There's like literally no more even fibers. And then I tie it into a knot. And eventually I'll trim all of those ends off, but this is it, all done.